Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. Today we are diving into the topic of file sharing with OneDrive. We will cover three straightforward methods like sharing through a link, sending via email, and sharing via folders. Whether you are collaborating with friends, family, colleagues, or if you are a YouTuber sharing the file with your team like video editors and scriptwriter, OneDrive simplifies the process of file sharing and collaboration. I'm really excited to walk you through this, so let's not waste any time and jump straight into the video. I'm on my desktop now, and as you know that we are already running the series of Microsoft OneDrive. So my OneDrive is already installed and running on this account. If you have missed to follow this, you can go back to my channel and watch the videos for creating an account and installing and configuring the OneDrive. So let me log into the OneDrive on my system. So this is my OneDrive, and you can see here on OneDrive, I have assumed that I am a content creator, and assume that I am a YouTuber, and I have a team sitting remotely somewhere, and I have given dedicated them a task to write the script for me and then the video editing for me. So there are two tasks or two tasks I have give offshore to the my remote team. So you can see here I have a folder here called my video edit which I have created. As I just simple create right click and create the folder inside this OneDrive. So as you can see here, my this is my video. This is my folder, which is my video edit, and I assume that I have a folders like videos of my recordings here, and this is my scripts which I have my script writer has assigned it to me or I assign it to them for editing, right? And there is the third file which is a description example. I am explaining something about how to write a description on the YouTube. So this is the common file which I have, right? And I would like to share with everyone, right? And these two files like my video 01 script and my video edit folder should be shared with the only person who has got the right to access it. So first, so what I do is how to so the question is how to share this files with someone, right? So what I do is just right click on this file. So first I'll go with the file. So right click on this file and then you can go with the share. You can see here the third option is share. So whether you have a personal or the business account, the process is exactly same. So just click on the share, and once you click on the share, you can see here this link will appears here, right? And you can say that anyone with the link can edit. So when you click here, see there are a couple of options here. So anyone who has got the link can access this file, and it does not require sign in. Means you just open if you share the link, if they have the link they can open it without any sign in. They do not have to require, they do not have to have this OneDrive account with them. Or you have a specific people, like people who want to share. For example, let's say my company, my domain name is xyz.com, right? And my I have given this task like editing scripting task to Paul, right? And so I have created a email ID for Paul at the rate xyz.com. So what I'll do is I just give this names xyz.com and assign this access to him. So I'll show it to you, and you can see here if there is an option code can more settings like can edit and can view, right? Since he is my script writer, so I just wanted to give him a edit option here. And you have a option like here you have an option like you can set a expiration link, right? Like for example, today is the 30th April, 30th March. So I just wanted to give him access only for 1 month, right? And if you do not assign anything here, it will be simple, like yeah, there will be no expiry link. So let's, I'm not going to see it's asking about the premium. So I do not have a premium account. So if you have, you can set the expiry link or you can keep it as a default. So now you can see here I have a specific people mentioned here, and when I click on the apply, it is asking about the name of the person who can access this file. So as I said, my editor, his name is Paul, and then at the rate xyz.com. That's my domain name. That's why I have given that's my domain name, and he is the employee. Paul is my employee who is working as a script writer for me. Right? I can write a message with him, and I can send the link, and I can copy this link, and I can send it through our Outlook. Right? You already have the Outlook. You can send it through the Outlook, or let Microsoft send this email on of your behalf. But you are concerned about the security, and you do not you do not want to share this information with the Microsoft, or you can have your own link, right? You can copy that link and send it via Outlook. So this is the first case, right? This is the first case that you can have this via email. And the second one, you can see this is the description, right? So this is the description. I'm creating a video where I just wanted to give these file into my description link, so whosoever log in, whosoever go to my videos can see, download this this description file, right? So what you can do is just right click on it, share it, and you now you have option. So what I'll do is in this one, I just create anyone, like I do not have a specific people. Whosoever viewers coming to my video can view this link. And rather than having can edit, I just edit on can view only, right? I do not want to give him an editing option online, so just a view option. Click on the view and apply it. And here you can see here, and this you can here you can copy the link from here. Just copy the link. So it's creating the copy the link. Now the link is copied, and you can put it in the description of your video. So this is about your second option, like you can share via link. And third option, which is like my video edit, you can see this is the folder, and I would like to share this folder with my editors. Like, so what I can do is right click on this, again go to share, and in the share you have an option here who can edit it. So you can write a email. So for example, here my employee is Jim, and I can say that Jim, and my email ID is xyz.com, right? So I shared it link with Jim, so Jim can access to, and you can have a multiple. You can have a storm at the rate xyz.com. You can have a group of people who will be accessible, who can access this folder. So this is how you can add this link, and this will the editable, right? This folder will be editable, so they can copy the file, they can edit it, and you can send it back to us, right? So this is how you can do it. Again, you if you want to send the email, so this option is send. So when you click the send here, the Microsoft will send the email on your behalf. But if you want to if you want to send it through your Outlook, what you do is just copy it from here, just copy the link, put it in your Outlook, and send it. Boom! It will go to your employees, and they can edit it. So one more interesting thing which I just wanted to share with bonus with you. So this sharing link does not have to have you do not the recipient does not require to have this only OneDrive or Microsoft account. You can send it to any domain, or any domain. Yeah, like you can send it to the gmail.com, right? Somebody having the access to the Gmail, they can view this they can view or download these files from here. Let's say for some time, like I've seen the example, like there are companies who want to share some file and folder or some information with the other company, right? So this way you can share the file from one company to another company. Yeah, so you can follow this process to do that. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions and queries, please put me into the comment box, and I'll try to answer it. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you in the next one.